In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful function to extract information from date, which can help us in data analysis and reporting. Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha, where you can find tutorials on productivity tools. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon to stay updated. If you want to get a practice file for this tutorial, check the description. Dates are one of the key elements of any type of data. They are particularly useful when a time-based analysis needs to be done. It is really helpful to extract information like month, year, and weekday from a date so that better analysis can be done. Excel already has inbuilt functions like year of and month of to extract month and year from a date. However, the output is a number, and if you need a text, then another function like if or choose needs to be used with the month or a year function. I have created a detailed tutorial on this. A link of that should be in the description and also available in the card here. Today, I'm going to show you a single function you can use to extract all this information from a date. You heard me right? There's just a single formula you need to know to extract all this information. So let's dive right into it. Here is the date and all the information we want to extract. We can use a single formula to get the day, the weekday, the month information, the year, and the different formats. And that simple but powerful function is text. So the syntax is really simple. All we need to do is enter text and the value here is going to be our cell C4, which is 25 December 2020. And then all we need to do is enter the format of the text. For a day, it is really simple. You need to put in double quotes, 2 Ds, and then close the parenthesis. You get the day from the date. To get the weekday, we need to enter text of cell C4, instead of the 2 days, you need to put 4 Ds, which represent the text format, and then you get Friday. To get the month, text of the cell followed by 2 M's in double quote. That gives you 12. To get the short form of the month, all we need to do is enter the text with the cell and in double quotes put 3 M's. That gives you the short form. To get the full month, we need to enter 4 M's in the double quotes. So we put in the date and in the double quotes as the format, put in 4 M's. And that will give you the full month. To get the year, is again I think you've understood, the cell C4 followed by 4 Y's will give you the full year. And now if you want in a particular format, as in date with the text in the month and year, we can do that again with text, the cell C4, and now the format should be DD followed by 3 M's and 2 Y's. And if you want the format with a slash, then again text of the cell DD/MM/YY. And to get in the month, date, year format, again with the text DD/YY. So let's put in another date, which is 6 July 1982, and then you get the weekday and all the other information in the formats we want. Though text is a simple function, it is extremely capable in extracting information in the format you want. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Till next time, ciao.